Welcome to my channel, and today's DIY is graphic tee. Let's start! You will need a shirt, old or new, even your plain boring shirt. I'm going to use Heat and Bond Lite to stick our design. Some fabric you like, I use my old clothes, and we will need scissor too. Now the fabric is wrong side up, and I will place my Heat and Bond. There's a plastic side and paper side. Paper side should be up. Then turn on your iron into medium heat. Press on evenly and let it cool for a while. I already made the pattern. I'm just going to trace them. Because we are on the wrong side of the fabric, I'm going to flip over the letter. After tracing the letter, let's cut it. Now let's peel the paper from the fabric. After peeling, I lay all my letters on my shirt. And last part, press it on a medium heat. And that's all for our graphic tee. Hope you like it. Comment down below for questions and subscribe for more DIY. Thank you for watching.